Hey guys, we're going to do a quick 5-ish minute warm-ups for any workout, lifting, routine, cardio session you're about to do. Loosen your muscles up, get your joints ready to go, and get your blood flowing and heart rate up a little bit so we can prevent injury and make your workout go a lot more smooth. First, we're going to start on our backs. We're going to have our knees up. Put our palms on the floor. And we're going to do 10 glute bridges where we're going to exhale on the way up and squeeze, feeling it in our glutes and our hamstrings right back here. And then we're going to inhale on the way down. Then exhale up. We're going to do 10 of them. Next, we're going to do some shoulder mobility. We're going to start with our left arm, so you can see it. We're going to keep our elbow down on the ground. We're going to try to keep our hand as flat as we can possible. And we are going to raise our hand up all the way above our heads, keeping both of those spots on the ground, reaching as high as we can. And we're going to come back down, trying to get our elbow back close to our ribs as close as we can. Once you get that spot where you can't go anymore, we're going to come back up, raising our hand all the way back above our head, like a shoulder press. We're going to keep inhaling all the way down, exhaling all the way up. We're going to do 7 of these both sides. This side. Now let's switch to the right side. Let's over so you can see me. Same position. Start here. Raise up. Come back down. Exhale. We're trying to open up our shoulders. Work all those small rotator cuff muscles we have. Making sure our shoulders are nice and warmed up, ready to go. Into the tabletop position. Our knees and our hands squared together. We're going to do some cat and cow poses now. Starting off with cat. We're going to push our hands into the ground, arch our back, breathe out. And we're going to inhale. Put our shoulder blades together. Put our butt back and go into cow pose. We're going to exhale. Go back into cat. Back and forth between these two poses. About 5 times. Go one more time. Okay, we're going to stretch our back out even more and our quads a little bit. Pull our knees out a little bit farther than they are. We're going to sit our hips back onto our feet. And we're going to reach our arms as far as they can this way while dropping our chest. We're now in child's pose. We're going to press right out like that. Just taking it 5 side lunges each side. Try to open up our groin area and our hips. You might hear your hips pop or crack. It's okay, we're just loosening them up. Really want to stretch inside of our groins, inside of our quads. Alright, now you can grab onto a wall for this one or not. We're just going to do 5 shoulder kicks with each leg. We're really getting our hamstrings right here. I like to put my hand up and tap my foot. Switch sides. Okay. After that, we're going to do just 10 front lunges total, 5 each side. Start getting our quads even more. Okay. Now we're just gonna stand here. Just do 10 calf raises. Just going up on your toes. Alright, now we're going to do a tricep / lat stretch where we just lean to the side, grabbing our one elbow, hold that for about 10 seconds, then switch, grabbing the elbow and lean to the other side, making sure we're breathing. Now we do another shoulder stretch. Come over to the side. Switch sides. While holding these for about 10 seconds as well. And do some forward arm circles. And now some backwards arm circles. Really just making sure our shoulders are nice and loose. Alright, well, that is it. That is our quick, about 5-minute-ish warm up. Now you should fill your heart rate up a little bit. You should feel that your joints and muscles are way looser than when we started, and now you're ready to go into your workout. So enjoy.